How do judges make decisions?
That's a good question. There's a lot of issues there. Again, it's precedent, it's case law. It comes down to other things too. It comes down to other intangible things like weather outside, if they got caught in a traffic jam that morning, if they were involved in an argument with their partner at home. These things do act in the background, and they do affect decision making, although not consciously, but it does happen.
How do judges think?
It's a really good question. I really don't know how they think. I think that if I had to guess, I would say that when you become a judge, you're removed from your previous position as a lawyer. You're no longer a lawyer. You're now a judge. And when you're a member of the judiciary, you're in a kind of elite club of people. Access to that is restricted, and there's certain norms and behaviors that are expected of you once you're there. Once you're in that position, precedent really takes is a very big thing in their lives, because all of the people that went before them, you have to uphold that tradition of professionalism and to be part of an institution that's respected. So they have to really follow the code of the judiciary that has gone before them, stretching back over 200 or 300 years, and not to do stuff that would maybe bring the judiciary into disrepute.
What factors influence a judge's decision the most?
Well, if you ever speak to judges, and I speak to some every now and again, and we'll talk about decisions or how the judiciary make decisions. The really good ones will say that they will ask themselves questions prior to making a decision. And one of the questions they'll ask is, am I going to give this person a penalty, certainly in criminal law, that is easy or nicer because they're well-dressed, or am I going to be harder on that person because they're not so well-dressed? Is my decision fair? Am I following my previous decisions? Fundamentally, is the question, is the answer I'm going to come to fair? And if it is, okay, I'll move forward with that. If it's not, then maybe I should reassess what decision I'm going to come to.
How should a person address a judge in court?
Your Honor, Judge, Sir is actually a good one, or Madam, Miss. They all work. There's no usual or set way of referring to a judge. The number one thing, though, is respect. You must show respect to the court and to the judge. They don't throw any tantrums because you refer to them as Sir or Miss instead of Your Honor. As long as fundamentally you come to the proceedings with respect and are respectful, then it doesn't matter.